I'm going to show you how background processing in Gravity PDF version 5 will speed up the form submission time for your end user. This is the test PDF that will be generated when the form is submitted, and it will be automatically attached to one of the notifications we've set up. First, I'm going to show you the wait time required with background processing disabled. I'm running this on my local development environment, so this is inherently slower than if I was running this on my production web server. That took 10 seconds, and you can see over on the right here in MailHog the emails landed in the inbox straight away. Now let's go to the Gravity PDF global settings and enable the new background processing feature and run the same test. This test only shows you the amount of time saved for one PDF attached to one notification. The more PDFs you got configured to be automatically emailed, the more time will be saved. As you can see, there was a 40% reduction in wait time for the end user, and the email notification that was sent was only slightly delayed.